our next video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert pictures in your text. Now first I'm going to write any text. Now I'm going to click on insert option and then going to go on pictures. As you can see, there are two options in picture: online picture and this device. It means this device means that you can have picture that you on your device, and online pictures you can select from the internet, but I'm going to go with this device. I'm going to click on logo and insert it like this. Now I have inserted my picture. Now you see it is so big, right? So I need to make it small like this. As I'm doing it, my text is aligning my text is aligning with the picture, but the picture is not aligning with my text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on picture format, go to wrap text. I'm going to give it a behind the text. As I've given behind the text has come forward on my picture, and I can type easily, nothing to worry about. As you can see, the moment I have inserted the picture, there's another tab called format. I'm going to go on format, change the format of my picture, give it a color, let's say gray. Right, there you have it, guys. That's how you add a picture in your MS document. I hope you have learned something. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe HSM. Have a nice day.